Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Ken's Show and Tell. This past Sunday, I drove the 120 mile round trip or so from our place to Charlottesville, Virginia, to the Boar's Head Inn to attend the annual Festival of the Wheel. I had submitted an application for my 1963 Mercedes Benz 220SE W111 Heckflosse to attend, and was accepted by the committee. Well, when I got there, and the car ran great and everything, and when I got there jockeying the car in position to park it, I no longer could get in reverse gear, but I still had my forward 4 gears, which was good. So I enjoyed the show and drove home without any incident. So today I'm going to be looking under this car and see if I can find out what the problem is. I see something right down here. Let's look and see. Well, look at that. You know what that looks like? Looks like a bushing. It's laying right here on the floor. So that bushing must have fallen out of the transmission. And I'll show you where it fell. Oh, I can see the link right there. So, and it's set right here. Here, let me get some light here and show you what I'm talking about. Well, I can see the problem. This is kind of what I suspected. See, there's two, I guess you call them fingers, coming down from the shifter on the column. And you see the ball right here. And it should go inside this joint. And here's the little bushing that fell out or broke out. It was like this, see, and the ball was on the other side, and so the ball fit in there, and so what I have to do is put a new one in there, and I should be able to get it in reverse again. All right, you see that one up here? I've replaced that one before. That one fell out. I lost all forward gears. This was a better one to fall out than this one. And then while I was at it at the time, I went ahead and bought, because I found a supplier that was selling those things made in Germany. Here it is. And so at the time I bought 3, realizing that they were the same size and everything. And this happened about a year ago, where the other one up there wore out. And these might even be original. I doubt it, but you know, they are old. And I was advised at the time, go and replace them both while you're at it. Well, lazy me, I didn't. And now I'm having to do it. So I'm going to give everybody else advice I didn't follow. If you lose one of those bushings in your shifter, go and replace both of them. And you'll be okay, and you will not regret it like I am. So what I'm going to do is undo this lock nut, hold this lock nut, and be able to back this out, and then be able to screw the new one in place. And the lock, I'll leave the lock nut there, and that means it's already adjusted. I should be able to press them together. So anyway, let's go. Here's what they look like. And there's the nylon bushing that broke on that one and came out. And see, this already comes pre-lubricated. To ride on that ball. Interesting. So when I use this one, I'll have one more in spare, and I think what I'll do is try to find some more. We're going to order them. It never hurts. This back nut is 15 millimeter, the lock nut, and the nut actually it's integral to this bushing, this connector, is 14 millimeter. So I'll hold the 15 in place and back off the 14, and then we'll put the new one in. Well, here's the old one out, and I actually found it easier, instead of using another wrench, just to hold that lock nut in place with these vice grips. So I'll go ahead and put this new one on, and it'll snap in place over that ball right here, and then we should be okay. New one in place, and I have reverse again. Okay. That job is done. Here's what the back looks like. The two rods going into the transmission itself. There's a big bushing here. It feels fine. There's a big one back up here, and held in with a cotter pin. All that looks good. I might try to find these, although they seem to be pretty good, and replace those. The nice thing about it is everything is an exterior. So yes, this is the one I did. That's reverse. And here's the one I've done before, and that's the one that goes to the forward gears. All right. Well, until next time, thanks for watching Ken's Show and Tell.